guys, welcome to my channel. So today we'll be discussing about electricity, which is for 10th standard exclusively. And under electricity we'll be studying about the topic of resistors connected in series. But before going into the topic, if the topic electricity comes, you should equally know what is Ohm's law. Ohm's law is a very important aspect, important topic in order to get to know your electricity, the chapter electricity. Now, this Ohm's law is derived or is proposed from a German physicist. Okay, so this Ohm's law is by German physicist who is known as George Simon Ohms. So this Ohm's law is very important, and it is represented by the symbol Ohm. Right? Now, what is this Ohm's law states? As the George Simon Ohm proposes that Ohm's law, which gives you the relationship between the potential difference and the current. So the current is represented by the symbol I, and the potential difference, the SI unit, is volts, and the SI unit for current is ampere. I hope you all know the SI units, right? Now, volt is represented by V and ampere is represented by A. Now, this Ohm's law gives you the relationship between the potential difference and the current in a circuit generally. Okay, so generally in a circuit, it gives you the relationship between the voltage and current. Now, what is this relationship between the voltage and the current? Now, suppose if I consider any circuit, say any circuit which has a resistance and a bulb, right, and is connected to a battery. Now, what happens is when you connect it to a battery, the current I flows through the circuit, right, with the resistance R. I'll just let you know what is this resistance R, and immediately the bulb start glowing. Now, this battery is under certain voltage, and this produces certain amount of current, right? Now, the voltage or the potential difference which is generated is directly proportional to the current induced if and only if the temperature is constant. So suppose at the given temperature, the voltage and the current are directly proportional. Okay, so this is what a Ohm's law states. V is directly proportional to I, suppose if temperature is constant or same. Now, like if you would like to draw a graph which is voltage and current, if the value is once of the current, so even the voltage will also be 1. If this is twice, the voltage will also be twice. Now, if you plot a graph, how would it look? It would be linear. Got it? So this is what the Ohm's law states. So V is directly proportional to I, so at the given temperature. Now we all know if we want to remove the constant of proportionality, we need to introduce a constant, right? So I will introduce a constant called R, which is nothing but resistance, or the constant of proportionality called as resistance. And now this resistance also works only if the temperature is constant. So this R holds good only if temperature is constant. So this is what you need to know. So at the end, the Ohm's law states V is equals to R I. Got it?